It all began in 1954. For over 7 decades, PerMix has been a global leader in industrial mixing and processing. But for us, heritage is just the foundation. We are constantly innovating, embracing cutting-edge technologies and R&D to ensure our partners always stay ahead of the curve. PerMix is a global powerhouse with a local touch. Our regional office in the USA serves the Americas and the UK. Our Belgium office coordinates European operations, while our offices in India and China support the GCC and South Asian markets. With over 40 agents worldwide, our expertise is always within reach. Our manufacturing strength is rooted in 2 strategic facilities in China, Shanghai and Wuxi. With a combined 8,000 square meters of production space and a dedicated team of engineers, we blend creative design with uncompromising technical precision. We take pride in offering one of the industry's most versatile portfolios. From advanced powder mixers and high-viscosity paste mixers to precision liquid agitators, we are one of the few companies in the world that manufactures nearly every type of mixer under one roof. Beyond individual equipment, PerMix provides comprehensive value through system integration. For clients seeking a total solution, we design and supply complete processing lines, including feeding, sieving, mixing, and discharging, all synchronized as a single high-performance unit. We believe in proven results. That's why we've established advanced test centers in China, Belgium, the USA, and India. We invite you to test your raw materials on our equipment, ensuring a perfect proof of concept before production even begins. Our true strength lies in tailor-made engineering. We understand that no 2 processes are identical. We customize every solution to fit your space constraints, cleaning requirements, and unique process goals. At PerMix, the machine is built to fit you, not the other way around. PerMix, 70 years of engineering, innovation, and global mixing solutions, your partner for excellence.